So, over this past week, on Thursday actually, ran into a new problem regarding the Sportster. This thing actually split. Now, where it split was actually right, let's zoom in here, along these three right here. So, to kind of give you an idea, these three, which, bend these out, you'll see if these start to open. Especially that one right there, split open, took all my oil and basically just dumped it everywhere in the parking lot work. So what's going to end up happening is I'm actually going to be going through and I'm going to fix that. I've got new parts on order. Basically we'll be reusing this and this end piece right here. This piece right here, it's not supposed to be reused anymore. It's a one-time clamp. I got another clamp like this one down here going to replace this on the bike itself. And if you give me a moment, I will go ahead and I will show you exactly what I'm going to do. So there's a piece actually that runs right about here, comes through this side, comes up, and then anchors itself up on this point right here. Sorry guys, cat is just in the way right here. Bolted up into here, and then that's where it would stay. Well, the problem was the split was right about here, so it dumped all the oil, actually left a nice trail. Again, cat right there, all the way out into the parking lot right there. Actually comes out of that tank right there, which actually right now is empty because it spewed all of it out. I can show you that in a moment. Actually goes through the swing arm right under there, comes out the other end, and then clips up there. Now, just go to trouble with this still. Give you an idea of exactly what happened. You look in there. I'm not sure how good the lighting is in there, but that is actually completely empty. Bone dry. So I can actually see the bottom, which I usually wasn't able to before. Once I get it through and once I get it done, I will actually show you guys exactly what I need to do to go ahead and replace this and get that done so that you don't have to be worried about that anymore. One key thing that I will suggest is that when you do so, do like I did and get a reinforced rubber hose for that, because the regular rubber hoses, it just eats through it.